Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and authentic Indian-style okra gravy, often called bindi masala. This flavorful dish is a staple in many homes. To begin, you will need fresh okra, about 250 grams, along with 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and a few cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. We will also use a blend of aromatic spices to create a rich and satisfying gravy. First, prepare your okra by washing and drying it completely to prevent sliminess. Trim the ends and chop each pod into 1-inch pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté the okra until it is tender and slightly browned, then set it aside. Next, in the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and sauté 1 cup of finely chopped onions until they are golden. Then, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now let's build the rich gravy. To the sautéed onions, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Mix well and cook for 1 minute. Next, stir in 3/4 cup of tomato puree and cook until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. Then, gently fold in 1/4 cup of whisked yogurt, ensuring it blends smoothly, and add 3/4 cup of water to reach your preferred gravy consistency. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the previously sautéed okra to the simmering gravy. Stir gently to coat the okra without mashing it. Let the curry simmer on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, allowing the okra to absorb the delicious flavors. To finish, stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves, and serve your homemade okra gravy hot with steamed rice or warm Indian bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.